Roll the paper, twist it tight. Little colors shining bright. Curl by curl, soft and small. Watch a tiny snail grow tall. Spirals dancing in my hands. Tiny loops like golden strands. Patient heart and gentle flow. Slowly, slowly watch it grow. A little shell with curves so neat. Quiet art in every beat. Layer by layer, piece by piece. Crafting calm and crafting peace. Slowly we roll, slowly we glide. Art and patience side by side. Twist and turn.